Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Chiliz, CHZ, is essential for another age of digital currencies that ruled titles in 2021, focusing on a particular specialty of new crypto lovers. Anyway, what amount might Chiliz at any point be worth? Possibly a considerable amount. Yet before we jump into our Chiliz cost expectations for 2022 to 2030, we should recap why CHZ is a top speculation. Why bother with Chiliz? Have you at any point loved a games group yet wound up disappointed with their choices? At any point do you get the inclination that fans have the right to have a greater voice? As a matter of fact, Chiliz expects to provide more capacity to the fans whose eager help is the pulsating heart of these games groups. Through fan tokens, fans will be better ready to voice their viewpoints to their number one games groups, and it will furnish sports groups with better approaches to adapt their fans by offering virtual resources as well as different conceivable outcomes. Who essentially is behind Chiliz? Established in 2017, Chiliz formally sent off in 2018. Both Chiliz and the Socios stage were made by CEO Alexander Dreyfus, a business person with a solid foundation in intuitive the travel industry stages, online poker destinations. Chiliz designed fan tokens fully intent on tracking down a better approach to benefit from fanbases of sports groups. Later on, it is recommended that Chiliz may likewise investigate different open doors beyond sports. What is Chiliz used for? Proprietors of fan tokens can generally participate in the dynamic cycle through reviews and surveys on the Socios stage with the guide of savvy contracts. It might be said, it resembles the fan zone a smidgen of the club and a voice by the way they work, however not exactly zero in a significant way. Fan tokens can likewise be utilized as an elective income stream where kind of specific things could in a real sense be simply accessible to fan extremely token holders, like NFTs. To buy any of Chiliz fan tokens, clients should initially buy Chiliz incredibly. Chiliz was at first made on top of the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain as an ERC20 token. Nonetheless, since its send-off, it is likewise accessible on the Tron, TRX, network as a TRC20 by and large token and on the Binance Smart Chain, Binance Coins, BNB, most certainly equal chain. Chiliz likewise has a sidechain called Socios which utilizes a proof of authority agreement system. Who basically uses Chiliz in a significant manner. Chiliz have been especially effective in Europe, producing associations with the absolute most by and large notable football crews. Two of the most famous incorporate the Paris Saint-Germain fan token, PSG, and the Manchester City fan certainly token, CITY, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Outside sort of European football, Chiliz sort of has additionally collaborated with blended hand-to-hand fighting association UFC to in every way that really matters, make the UFC fan token, UFC. As per the Socios stage, they essentially have north of 120 accomplices situated in 25 nations, more than 3 mainlands. Specialized analysis of Chiliz's, CHZ, price movements. As per information from CoinMarketCap, CHZ's previously realized cost is $0.01634 on the 2nd of July 2019. A couple of months after the fact, on the 27th of September 2019, Chiliz hit an unsurpassed genuinely low of $0.0040001. In 2021, Chiliz began the year at $0.0209. Arrived at a record-breaking high of $0.8915 on the 13th of March, and afterward finished the year at $0.2837. CHZ's ongoing 52-week low fundamentally is $0.1449, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2022 in an unpretentious way. In 2022, Chiliz will probably see top interest towards the start of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. According to our Chiliz cost expectation, CHZ is gauged to fundamentally obscure 30 cents partially as the year progressed. The assessed high for 2022 is 32 cents, and the low will be 11 cents. The typical Chiliz cost will be 24 cents toward the finish of 2022, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz, CHZ Price Prediction 2023. Proceeding to in a real sense upgrade its NFT capacities will see CHZ arrive at genuinely better upsides in 2023. The Chiliz cost expectation for 2023 expects CHZ to energize to a maximum cost of 68 cents and a min cost of 22 cents. The finish of 2023 will see Chiliz secure a normal of 55 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2024. The following Bitcoin halving will in every practical sense occur in 2024, as will the following UEFA Euro title, intensifying the cost of Chiliz. According to our Chiliz cost expectation, Chiliz will begin 2024 at 71 cents and end the year at $1.04. At the most elevated, CHZ is anticipated to reach $1.29 and at the least, it can hit 49 cents. Chiliz's typical sort of anticipated cost for 2024 essentially is 87 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2025. By 2025, Chiliz's fan token biological system will detonate as an ever-increasing number of sports clubs look to make their own tokens by and large. Toward the year's end, Chiliz will move to a normal of $1.90. Arriving at a high of $2.32 and an especially low of $1.47, as determined by the Chiliz cost forecast, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that Chiliz can arrive at the typical objective, it would address a 113.124% expansion on truly top of CHZ's record-breaking high. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2026 in a significant way. Gamification of the Chiliz stage will additionally support the allure of CHZ in 2026. Chiliz has an especially middle objective of $2.20, with a high gauge of $3.01 and an especially low gauge of $1.88, as affirmed by the Chiliz cost forecast. CHZ is supposed to end 2026 at $2.72. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2027. Extending further away from home external Europe, Chiliz will solidly set up a good foundation for itself in Latin America, Southeast Asia, India, and the Middle East, arriving at millions additional clients. In the event that you've been inquiring what will Chiliz be worth in 5 years, it can achieve a genuinely top cost of $5.15, sort of sink to a low of $3.69, and secure a normal of $4.29, according to the Chiliz cost forecast information. Chiliz, CHZ, Price Prediction 2028.